Today, I'm going to follow up on a previous discussion we had about the median. For those of you who remember that discussion, the median is your middle number.
Oh my God, there's Malcolm in middle!
If you have numbers where there's one or two numbers that are very far away in value from all the other numbers, taking the median will not let this number group get affected by the fact that there's one or two really big numbers or one or two really small numbers. So the median is resistant to what's called skew. It's skew resistant.
Okay!
The median's one number. What else can we learn from the median? How do we take this median and then look at a data on a grand scheme? So that's what I'm gonna show you guys today.
Teach me.
Let's say I surveyed 11 people. I surveyed their IQs. This is the average IQ of Americans. It's 100.
100.
Maybe we got one guy who's 120, and then we got a guy who's 140. That's me.
I'm actually a modest person.
It's 90, we have 85, 111, maybe another 130.
What do we do with it? Well, first thing we do, remember I showed you last time? You just put it in order.
100, we got 100 3 times, 100, we have 111, we have 120, we have another 120.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's actually not my IQ, I was just joking.
You're a funny guy.
Basically, you find the middle number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We have to find the number in the middle here. This number, add this number, divide by 2. So we go 100 plus 111 over 2. 211 divided by 2. That's our middle number. I want to know more. You want to know more?
I want some more.
What's the distribution? How far are people from the median? First thing is called the Q1, and the second thing is called the Q2, and the third thing is called the IQR, interquartile range. The median is also known as the Q2. Your lowest value is also known as your Q0. Your highest value is your Q4. Just by me describing it, maybe you guys can figure out what's going on.
Nope.
If your Q0 is your lowest value, and your Q1, and then you have your Q3, this is the middle, this is the bottom, and this is the top. Whatever value's at the 25th percentile, and this is whatever value's at the 75th percentile.
What?
To find the Q1, you look at these values below the median, and you find the middle number there. So the middle number is this. This is your Q1. And here, the Q3, you find the middle number above the median. It's right here. So this is your Q3. The Q0, the lowest value is 85. The Q1's at 100. The Q2, which is also the median, is at 105. The Q3 is at 120. Biggest value is at 140. 20 is your interquartile range. So now we have all these values. We can sort of picture it. The middle 50% of your data falls within 20 points. You probably have seen something like this. This is called a box and whisker plot. Let's assume it's smaller down here. This is your Q1, this is your median, this is your Q3, and then that's your highest number, that's your lowest number. And this gives you a visual way of looking at your data. Why is this box and whisker plot useful?
Why?
I did another survey. Let's say another company, the median was also 105. But what if interquartile range was actually much smaller? So it was like this. This right here is very different from here, even though the medians are the same. So this gives you a bigger story of the data you're dealing with. Imagine something like this. The median's the same. The middle 50% is much more distributed. So let's say I were hiring a team based on IQ, which is illegal, by the way. You can't judge people by their intelligence. Which one would I hire? Would I hire this one? Would I hire this one? Would I hire this one? This one's consistency, right? This one, everyone's IQ is very close to 105.5, so you know what your people are capable of. This one, you could have some dumb as brick people. You could have some geniuses. This one's maybe in the middle.
I want some more.
Anyways, if you haven't seen the other video, I'm gonna link it now. Let me know if you guys want more of these videos. Have you ever had a statistic issue, or have you ever read a news article and found it kind of fishy? Let me know. Thank you guys so much.